for a bookkeeper, what should an average contractor be paying? Monthly,
Well,
annually?
there's probably some minimums that a bookkeeper will have. Some won't, I don't know. But if you consider, there's a couple of ways to do this. You can consider possibly 0.75 to 3% of a business's gross income could be designated for bookkeeping.
I see.
And that would be a good range because there may be a variety of tasks that a bookkeeper would do for a certain business. And I don't pigeonhole it. I don't have a set fee except for maybe a minimum. It just depends on how many different services, like how much reporting do you want? How much communication do you want? Do you want to have a weekly meeting? How often do you want me to do your books? Are you fine with doing them quarterly? Are you fine with doing them monthly? How about weekly? Um, some are wanting daily. And it just depends on how much interaction you have. There's another way to figure it out is if you figure all your transactions. That means every time you spend any money, anytime you make any money. If you could consider all those things, a bookkeeper sometimes will charge 75 cents, maybe to $1.25 for each of those. But again,
Okay.
they may have a minimum that they allow, that they won't work for any less than that.
Watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy at Trusted House Painter and grow your painting business.